In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change any color in your video or picture using Capcut on desktop. Let's get started. We already have our image or video on the timeline. Look to your right hand side of the software, click on adjustments, then click on HSL. It comes with 7 basic color, but the car in this scenario has yellow color and we want to change it to red. Now click on yellow and then slide it to the left. It looks more like orange. Now click on orange and slide it to the left as well. There you go. Now increase saturation to 100% to make it pop. You can adjust the lightness to make it brighter or darker, and this is the result we've got. This is another cool trick that you can use with this effect. Increase the saturation of the desired color and turn down the saturation of the other colors, and we're going to have something like this. As always, it's been an absolute pleasure being of help to you guys. Like, share and comment if you find this content very helpful. Finally, my name is Christar Edits and I will see you guys in my next video.